Good morning, y'all. I look a hot mess. I just woke up, but it's all cool. Over the weekend, I was upset because I lost one of my butterfly earrings, but checked the mailbox today and got a package, and it's from Iambyfaye, so I'm pretty sure it's my back butterflies. I already kind of started opening the box, but I was like, let me do an unboxing. I haven't done one of those before. So don't judge my unboxing. This is the first one, okay? So pretty. Okay, I think I opened it wrong because nope, I won't open it right for you. Hold on. I'm gonna get I opened this box all kind of wrong. But I wanna get in there. Plus I got like 10 minutes before I gotta get my day started, so sorry. All the pretty stuff flew out, but I really suck at unboxing, guys. All right, y'all, so it comes with a sticker, a thank you card, right, maybe. Thank you card. Get out of here. And last but not least, the black butterflies. They're so pretty, right? I lost my gold ones over the weekend, so Amber, I need a gold pair. Oh, and plus the address was there too, and I didn't want y'all in there. But cute confetti, a let it be sticker, just let it be. Whatever you're going through, just let it be. Cleaning cloth. Let's see. There we go. Pink. Jewelry care. This is a card to let you know how to take care of your jewelry. A thank you card. I love thank you cards. I keep all of them. Yeah, I'm a card person. Make your own sunshine. You just have to, or be sad. Up to y'all. Last but not least, my black butterflies. Okay, these are so cute. I can't wait. You know what? Let me just show y'all. Ooh, ooh. Let me just show y'all. And she got the official back for me. What? Because of course I need the double. Because I'm a klutz. But yeah. I guess I'm gonna wear these. Nah, I'm gonna save them for my birthday. But these are cute. I need the gold ones, Amber. So please send me an invoice for the gold butterflies again. Because that really hurt. Those were my favorite earrings, y'all. But these are pretty cute too. And they're gonna go with my birthday outfit, so. Birthday outfit from Lady Lamo. Iambyfaye. Tell me they're not cute, because they're really cute. Thanks, girl. Keep doing what you're doing. I support you fully. I love these earrings, of course. Like I said, I need the gold one again. So send the invoice, please. I was almost done, and I was like going through the box, make sure I didn't forget any cute stickers, because like Christopher stickers the heck out of his computer, and it's pretty much my computer now too. So I'm making it look girly. So I love when she sends stickers, but a bracelet. I'm not sure if she sent this by mistake or if it was a gift, but I really love it. If it was a mistake, I will send you the money for it because it's really cute. Normally, I don't buy bracelets from other companies because my daughter makes bracelets and I'm team her to the fullest. But these are really, really, really cute. I love it. Thank you. White marble, y'all. I wish y'all could see the detail. Like, this is really, really pretty. Like, yeah, these are cute. And look, I'm gonna have to give y'all a little show today.